I've just finished building this brick barbecue, but before I can call it done, I need to sort out the mortar staining on the face of the bricks. If you have mortar staining on brickwork, don't just start scrubbing it with a wire brush. That's what I tried first, and although it did help a little bit, it didn't clean the bricks properly. The problem is that mortar staining isn't just loose dirt sat on the surface. So if you keep scrubbing it with a wire brush, you can end up scratching or damaging the face of the bricks. A better way to deal with it is to use a chemical. Before you start, read the label on the product you're using, wear the right PPE and test the small area first if you're unsure. I'm using Sika brick and patio cleaner, and I dilute this to roughly 2 parts water to 1 part cleaner. For heavier staining it can be used stronger or even neat, but check the instructions on the product that you're using. Start by wetting the brickwork with clean water. This helps to stop the acid soaking straight into the dry bricks too quickly and gives you a little bit more control. Then apply the brick acid to the stained area using a brush. I just used a cheap paintbrush. You don't really need to scrub, just brush it over the mortar staining and let the acid do the work. If it's a warm day, keep an eye on it because you don't want it drying out on the brickwork. After a few minutes, give the area a light brush over and then rinse it off thoroughly with clean water. Once it dries, check the result. If there's still a few stubborn patches, just repeat the process. So the basic method is wet the brickwork first, apply diluted brick acid with a cheap brush, let it react, rinse it properly and then repeat on any stubborn staining. It's a much better way to remove mortar marks from brickwork and it avoids damaging the face of the bricks by scrubbing them to death. And that's the brickwork all cleaned up. Getting rid of that mortar haze has really made a massive difference and I'm much happier now with the result. So if your brickwork looks stained after laying bricks, don't just scrub it to death with a wire brush, use a proper cleaner, let that do the work, rinse it properly and the results will be much better. If you want to see how I built this brick barbecue, check out that video next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.